Well, hi for day 7 of our G adventure, Costa Rica Adventure Pass. We are heading to lunch. I've just chilled all morning. We're heading to lunch and we're going to be getting a trailer ride to lunch. And we're going to have a lesson in making empanada. So that should be fun. Wow, look at this view for lunch. Wow. Well, it was a sweaty walk and a van ride, but we're here now. We're going to be out on this terrace for lunch. And lunch is included with our G adventure, so that's good news. Wow. So this is lunch. And there is a lot of it here. Yeah. Looks good though. So we had a really nice lunch, homemade rice pudding and salad and chicken rice, and it was all really, really good. And this hacienda, it's very pretty with that incredible view of the stream. It's lovely.
You just turn it and then you use your fingers to finish it off. Okay?
Que no la estiren mucho porque se rompe.
Don't make it too thin and too big, because that makes it too thin, and then when you want to do it's gonna rip. Okay, and you don't want to rip.
Yo les hice de frijoles con queso, bien arregladito. No le echa tampoco mucho preferir que se hagan otras.
She prepared these beans. Okay, they're not from a bag. They actually made them.
Wow.
Okay, so these are. And you put a little bit of beans, and you have cheese as well. So she puts an M because it's hers one. So when it's cooked, she knows that the M is her one. Okay? Clear? Pass it along.
Claro. This looks amazing.
There you go.
Okay, I'm gonna make mine. All right, we're gonna try and make an empanada. So I've got my plastic and I've got my ball of dough. So we're supposed to, she was pushing it out while she was rotating.
And she'll start cooking them. No, that's fine.
Oh, my dough's breaking. Oh no, my dough's breaking. This is not good. We're going to start again. So yours was big enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think she did this, right?
Yeah. She folded it over, yeah, and then crimped with the foot. Okay. Well, then I'm going with that size.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so mine is ready to go in, and of course, me being me, it's a Mickey. See? It actually worked. So I've got empanada, an imperial beer. And that's a good way to spend an afternoon. It's day 8. Good morning. We are at a coffee plantation about to take a tour. And it's raining.
So, as Grace said to you, let me introduce myself. My name is Juan. I'm going to be the tour guide for this rainy morning. This modern kind of clothes, and footer in her right there. As you can see, well, it's very big for her, but it doesn't. We introduce the canasta this way. As you can see there, well, it's so big. Just a bit, because I want you to to be happy but not drunk.
So it's 10 a.m. 10 a.m. and it's shots of coffee liqueur. Now I don't do coffee, so I'm not doing this, but yeah, 10 a.m. shots. Bienvenidos de Costa Rica.
That's really good. My favorite breakfast shot. Where's the rum shot?
Can you squeeze this into your hands? We're showing to you the different parts it has inside. So let's do it in this way. You can use your hand, put it into this form, and we'll also squeeze it over there. What we call it mucilage. The mucilage is for producing.
So we're planting the coffee beans.
Everywhere. Where do you like? No, it's very common. Goats. So they have its goats in their farms. You get to do this around 2 times per day. Because a human fungus is starting to gas that is called caffeine gas. So if it is packaged by plastic, it's gonna be going out. So it is not good for this. Aha! Look at this.
So lunchtime, food looks good. Hi everybody, so we made it to La Fortuna from the coffee plantation, and we just stopped at Desafio, who do the excursions for G Adventures. They have a contract with them. However, with my ankle, I'm not going to be partaking. I would love to be. There's one that's Los Canyons, canyoning, looks amazing. There's one called Gravity Falls, where you are jumping off different waterfalls and tethered to things. There's one, Cañon Negro, which is 8 hours a boat, full day excursion. I don't want to do that. There was one more, but what I've decided to do is, I'm in a town that is renowned for hot springs. I'm going to be doing a little hike with the volcano with the group anyway, so I think just going to do my own thing really. Tomorrow I'm going to probably pay for a ticket to go to a hot springs. You can have an all-day pass, so that's what I'm going to do. But what a great campus they have set up here. So Desafio know what they're doing. They've been doing it for years. G Adventures wouldn't be paired with them if they didn't. So plenty of choice, but I think the right thing for me and my ankle and all, you know, just being sensible, is to do my own thing. So I will be Kim Kardashianing tomorrow at the hot springs. Welcome to Hotel Los Logos, or Logos. We are here for some hot springs, to see the volcano, and to have dinner. And it's kind of a little bit of luxury for the night. It's going to be gorgeous. This place is gorgeous. So guys, as much as I love you, I can't take you into the hot springs because it's just not safe to take my camera there with all the water, and I need to be careful. But I will take you with me tomorrow when I do those hot springs. But for now, I'll see you at dinner. Hi guys, that's the end of day 8, and it's been a long day. It's now 10 to midnight. So yeah, last I left you, I was at the lockers at the hot springs, and I couldn't take you in partly because the rain was coming down and this camera, no good for rain, and I hadn't brought the GoPro out. But you know, the rain had cleared up, it came down, but the hot springs, oh wow. So we went to Los Lagos, which is going to be upside down, but Los Lagos, and it has different heat levels in the hot springs. So at the top is the hottest, which is almost more extreme than a hot tub, going right down to the cooler ones. So, you know, we found a happy medium. We tried them, went down. They have a swim up bar there. They have the barman is an excellent cocktail maker. So there was shots consumed and beers and cocktails, not all by me, but I did have some Sex on the Beach, the cocktail, and kamikaze shots. And we were there for a good few hours just talking and chilling, and it's the first Saturday night in as long as I can remember where it felt like a Saturday night. They light the place up beautifully. Some of the pools have like red, green glowing lights. They had little private ones. They look like little cabana pools, so sort of little covers, mini caves, and then they've got the jet beds. So they're like jacuzzis, but not quite. If you were a couple, you'd love it. Kids are welcome there. It is a resort as well, but they let day guests in. So we did that, it was fantastic, and went for dinner at the resort restaurant. We came back to the hotel. The hotel is fully booked here, and we're not the only group here. There are other groups of travellers, younger, and it was like a party going on. I mean, my room is right, outside my door is the terrace and the bar, which sounded amazing at the time, except when it feels like a backpacking hostel. Again, G Adventures, I'm not holding them responsible at all. They had an agreement that it would be closed at 10:30. They carried on until 10:45, and then it takes a while to clear people out. So, I think a complaint's going to be put in, because it did disturb us all. But you know, credit to G Adventures. Grace was fantastic. She stuck around to make sure it was cleared out. You know, really good. But we got 2 more full days here in La Fortuna. Tomorrow there's some tours going on that I discussed. I was going to go to Baldy, which is another hot springs I heard about, but it's now so late, I'm so tired that I might just sleep in. I'm going to do some laundry, I might look around town, and then I know we're all getting together as a group for dinner at the pub tomorrow night, but tomorrow is kind of a free day, so we will see what the day brings, you know. Hakuna Matata and my Pura Vida. Did I show you my Pura Vida? I'm sure I did, but Pura Vida. I'm sure I'm saying it wrong. We'll just see what the day brings. But there's no mosquitoes in this room. The aircon is lovely. I have Wi-Fi, you know, so things could be worse. I'm really comfy in here. And La Fortuna is clearly a buzzing kind of town, so we'll see what the morning brings. And if I get to more hot springs, which I will be sure to bring you with me this time. Hopefully no rain, and I'll find a way to shelter you or use the GoPro. All right. Night, guys.
Do just what you want.